how to stream Netflix on Discord. So if you want to stream Netflix on Discord, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Discord application, or you can also go with your browser. And after that, go with a new tab, and you need to go with Netflix. Or if you have the application, you can go with the application and just log into your Netflix and just open up a show that you would like to see. Now, in my case, I don't have the subscription, but if you have, then you can just open up a show, and after that, you can go with your Discord. And from here, you need to go with a server, any server that you're comfortable with, and go with the voice channel. Just click on the voice channel and just enable your share screen option. Here, you will have share your screen. So, click on share your screen. And once you click on it, here you will have the Netflix section. You need to click on Netflix, and then you can go with share, and your Netflix tab will be shared. That's how you can stream Netflix on your Discord. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.